Animals starting with S are found everywhere and include some of the most diverse species. From oceans to deserts, tiny creatures to huge hunters, S represents survival, speed, and evolution. In the ocean, sharks have existed for over 400 million years, while stingrays move silently along the sea floor. In colder waters, the seal thrives in icy environments, using blubber for insulation. The sea otter uses tools, one of the few animals known to do so. On land, the sloth moves slowly through trees, conserving energy in dense forests. The snow leopard blends perfectly into mountain landscapes. Among herbivores, the sheep has been domesticated for thousands of years. The saiga antelope survives harsh steppes with a unique nose structure. In Africa, the serval hunts with incredible jumping ability. The springbok uses speed and agility to escape predators. Among birds, the swan symbolizes elegance, gliding across water. The sparrow thrives alongside humans worldwide. Reptiles and amphibians add diversity. The snake represents one of the most widespread reptile groups. The salamander regenerates limbs, one of nature's most remarkable abilities. Insects dominate in number. The spider spins intricate webs for survival. The scorpion uses venom for defense and hunting. Back to the oceans, the seahorse swims upright, a rare trait among fish. The squid uses jet propulsion to move rapidly through water. Across all ecosystems, the letter S reveals life at its most diverse and widespread. Saanen goat, a dairy goat breed known for high milk production. Sable antelope, a large African antelope with curved horns. Sable ferret, a domesticated ferret color variation. Saddleback caterpillar, a venomous caterpillar species. Sailfish, one of the fastest fish in the ocean. Salamander, an amphibian capable of regeneration. Salmon, a migratory fish that swims upstream to spawn. Saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile. Sand cat, a desert-adapted wild cat. Sand dollar, a flattened sea urchin. Sand tiger shark, a large predatory shark species. Sandpiper, a shorebird found near water. Sardine, a small schooling fish. Sawfish, a fish with a long saw-like snout. Scallop, a marine mollusk with a fan-shaped shell. Scarlet macaw, a brightly coloured parrot. Scorpionfish, a venomous marine fish. Sea cucumber, a soft-bodied marine invertebrate. Sea lion, a marine mammal known for agility. Sea turtle, a long-lived marine reptile. Sea urchin, a spiny marine invertebrate. Serval, a slender African wild cat. Shiba Inu, a Japanese dog breed. Shih Tzu, a small companion dog breed. Shrimp, a small aquatic crustacean. Silkworm, an insect used in silk production. Skink, a smooth-bodied lizard. Skunk, a mammal known for its defensive spray. Sloth bear, a bear species adapted to eating insects. Slug, a shell-less mollusk. Snail, a slow-moving mollusk with a shell. Snowy owl, a white Arctic bird of prey. Solefish, a flatfish species. Sparrowhawk, a small bird of prey. Sperm whale, the largest toothed whale. Spider monkey, a tree-dwelling primate. Spiny lobster, a crustacean without large claws. Spotted hyena, a powerful scavenger and hunter. Spring hare, a rodent that moves by hopping. Squid, a fast-moving cephalopod. Starfish, a marine invertebrate with radial symmetry. Stingray, a flat-bodied marine fish. Stoat, a small carnivorous mammal. Stork, a large wading bird. Sturgeon, an ancient fish species. Sugar glider, a small gliding marsupial. Sun bear, the smallest bear species. Sunfish, a large ocean fish. Swallow, a migratory bird. Swordfish, a fast marine predator. Sambar deer, a large Asian deer with strong antlers. Saola, a rare forest-dwelling bovine from Southeast Asia. Saki monkey, a South American primate with a bushy tail. Sarus crane, the tallest flying bird, often found in wetlands. Schnauzer, a dog breed known for its distinctive beard. Scottish terrier, a small, sturdy dog breed. Sea mink, an extinct mustelid once found along coasts. Sei whale, a fast-swimming baleen whale. Senegal galago, a small nocturnal primate with large eyes. Cerveline genée, a spotted carnivorous mammal. Shetland pony, a small, strong horse breed. Siamese cat, a domestic cat known for its vocal nature. Siberian husky, a sled dog adapted to cold climates. Siberian tiger, the largest tiger subspecies. Sifaka, a lemur that moves by hopping sideways. Silver fox, a melanistic form of the red fox. Slender loris, a small nocturnal primate. South American tapir, a large herbivorous mammal. Spectacled bear, the only bear native to South America. Spotted skunk, a small carnivore capable of spraying musk. Squirrel, a tree-dwelling rodent with a bushy tail. Squirrel monkey, a small, agile primate. Striped hyena, a scavenging carnivore found in Africa and Asia. Birds, sacred ibis, a wading bird revered in ancient Egypt. Sandhill crane, a large migratory bird. Satin bowerbird, a bird known for elaborate courtship displays. Scissor-tailed flycatcher, a bird with long forked tail feathers. Secretary bird, a ground-hunting bird of prey. Seriema, a South American bird that hunts small animals. Sedge warbler, a small migratory songbird. Sharp-shinned hawk, a small forest hawk. Shoebill, a large bird with a massive bill. Shrike, a bird known for impaling prey. Siskin, a small finch species. Skylark, a bird known for its singing flight. Snow goose, a migratory Arctic bird. Sooty tern, a seabird that spends most of its life in flight. Southern cassowary, a large flightless bird with a casque. Spotted owl, a forest-dwelling nocturnal bird. Starling, a bird known for murmurations. Steller's jay, a bold, intelligent bird. Stonechat, a small passerine bird. Sunbird, a nectar-feeding bird similar to hummingbirds. Reptiles and amphibians. Sand boa, a burrowing snake species. Sand lizard, a reptile found in sandy habitats. Savannah monitor, a large African lizard. Sea crate, a venomous marine snake. Sidewinder rattlesnake, a desert snake that moves sideways. Skink lizard, a smooth-scaled reptile. Slowworm, a legless lizard. Soft-shell turtle, a turtle with a flexible shell. Spadefoot toad, a burrowing amphibian. Spiny-tailed lizard, a reptile adapted to deserts. Spring peeper frog, a small tree frog with a loud call. Suriname toad, a flat-bodied aquatic amphibian. Fish and marine life. Sailfin tang, a reef fish with a large dorsal fin. Salmon shark, a fast cold water predator. Sand lance, a small schooling fish. Sand perch, a bottom-dwelling fish. Scadfish, a fast-swimming schooling fish. Sea bass, a popular food fish. Sea dragon, a leafy marine fish related to seahorses. Sea lamprey, a parasitic jawless fish. Sea slug, a soft-bodied marine invertebrate. Seahorse, a fish that swims upright. Shovel-nosed ray, a fish resembling both shark and ray. Silverside fish, a small coastal fish. Skatefish, a flattened cartilaginous fish. Snapper, a reef fish species. Sockeye salmon, a migratory Pacific salmon. Spiny dogfish, a small shark species. Spotted eagle ray, a large patterned ray. Stonefish, one of the most venomous fish. Surgeonfish, a reef fish with sharp tail spines. Insects and invertebrates. Saddleback caterpillar, a venomous larva. Scarab beetle, an ancient symbol in Egyptian culture. Scorpion, an arachnid with venomous stinger. Sea spider, a marine arthropod. Silverfish, a small wingless insect. Silkworm moth, an insect used for silk production. Skipper butterfly, a fast-flying butterfly. Snapping shrimp, a crustacean that creates loud snaps. Soldier ant, a worker ant specialized for defense. Spittlebug, an insect that produces foam for protection. Springtail, a tiny jumping arthropod. Stag beetle, a beetle with large mandibles. Stick insect, an insect that mimics twigs. Stink bug, an insect that releases odor when threatened. Mammals. Sable, a small carnivorous mammal valued for its fur. Saiga antelope, a steppe antelope with a distinctive nose. Saki monkey, a South American primate with strong jaws. Sambar deer, a large Asian deer species. Serval cat, a long-legged wild cat with large ears. Siberian weasel, a slender carnivorous mammal. Sika deer, a spotted deer species native to Asia. Silky anteater, a tiny tree-dwelling insect eater. Spotted deer, also known as chital, a common Asian deer. Striped skunk, a North American mammal known for scent defense. Sunda pangolin, a scaly mammal feeding on ants. Swamp deer, a deer adapted to wetland habitats. Swamp rabbit, a rabbit species found in wetlands. Birds. Sanderling, a shorebird that runs along beaches. Sapphire-crowned hummingbird, a brightly coloured nectar feeder. Savannah sparrow, a small grassland bird. Scarlet tanager, a bright red forest bird. Scaup duck, a diving duck species. Seagull, a coastal bird found worldwide. Secretary bird, a bird of prey that hunts on foot. Serin finch, a small songbird. Shagbird, a seabird related to cormorants. Shearwater, a long-distance flying seabird. Shrikebird, a predatory songbird. Siberian crane, a rare migratory crane. Snipe, a marsh bird with a long bill. Snowy egret, a white wading bird. Solitary sandpiper, a small migratory bird. Southern lapwing, a ground-dwelling bird. Spoonbill, a wading bird with a spoon-shaped bill. Storm petrel, a seabird that skims ocean waves. Swallowtail kite, a graceful bird of prey. Swift bird, a fast-flying aerial insect hunter. Reptiles and amphibians. Sand viper, a desert-adapted venomous snake. Savannah snake, a reptile adapted to open grasslands. Sea turtle hatchling, a young marine turtle. Sharp-tailed snake, a small burrowing snake. Shield-tail snake, a burrowing reptile with a blunt tail. Short-horned lizard, a reptile that can squirt blood as defense. Side-neck turtle, a freshwater turtle species. Skink, various species. Smooth-bodied lizards. Smooth snake, a non-venomous European snake. Spiny softshell turtle, a freshwater turtle with a flexible shell. Striped mud turtle, a small aquatic reptile. Suriname horned frog, a large amphibian predator, fish and marine life. Sailfin molly, a freshwater aquarium fish. Sailfish, one of the fastest marine fish. Sandbar shark, a coastal shark species. Sandfish, a burrowing fish species. Sardine fish, a small schooling fish. Scorpion fish, a venomous reef fish. Sea anemone, a stinging marine invertebrate. Sea bass, various species, a group of predatory fish. Sea bream, a marine fish used for food. Sea cucumber, various species, a bottom-dwelling marine animal. Sea fan coral, a branching coral species. Sea hare, a soft-bodied marine mollusk. Sea pen, a colonial marine organism. Sea squirt, a simple filter-feeding organism. Shinerfish, a small freshwater fish. Silky shark, a sleek ocean predator. Silver carp, a freshwater fish species. Skipjack tuna, a fast-swimming ocean fish. Smelt fish, a small schooling fish. Snook, a coastal game fish. Soapfish, a reef fish that secretes toxins. Sole, various species. Flatfish found on ocean floors. Spanish mackerel, a fast marine predator. Spiny lobster, a clawless crustacean. Squirrelfish, a nocturnal reef fish. Stargazer fish, a fish with upward-facing eyes. Stickleback, a small freshwater fish. Stingray, various species. Flat-bodied marine fish. Insects and invertebrates. Scarab beetle, a beetle important in ancient symbolism. Scorpion fly, an insect with a curved tail. Sea slater, a marine crustacean. Silk moth, a moth used for silk production. Skimmer dragonfly, a fast-flying insect. Snail, various species, a shelled mollusk. Snapping turtle, juvenile classification crossover. A reptile known for strong jaws. Soldier beetle, a soft-bodied insect. Spider wasp, a wasp that hunts spiders. Spiny orbweaver, a spider with spiked abdomen. Springtail, various species. Tiny jumping arthropods. Stag beetle, various species. Beetles with large mandibles. Stonefly, an aquatic insect. Swallowtail butterfly, a large, colourful butterfly.